So welcome guys, in today's video we will look how to use sort and filter in the MS Excel, how you can sort the data using MS Excel. And here we have a multi-brand car showroom data here, and we will apply sort and filter at this data and look how sort and filter works. So let's start it. So we have here the model. So this is a multi-brand car showroom data. Here we have the four parameters like monthly profits, profit per car, unit sold, and models like Bolero, Scorpio, Range Rover, Wagoner. So we will try to understand how the filter work in the MS Excel, how you can sort the data very easily. So first select the table and so first select the range, and here you can see sort and filter. If you click here, a drop down menu open. You can sort from A to Z, from Z to A. If you sort from A to Z, you can see the top model BMW X3, फिर Bolero, next Bolero, Defender, Desire. You can sort from A to Z, and if you want to sort from Z to A, you can sort it very easily like XUV 700, XUV 500, Wagoner, Tiago, Thar. But here is an important distinction. If you want to sort from unit sold, from profit per car, from monthly profits, how you can sort? There is the option, then you can apply table, but you can sort also using the custom sort. If you click here the custom sort, here is a dialog box open. From there you can sort very easily the column you want. Suppose if you want to sort from unit sold, you want to see which unit sold mostly. Here is the sales value. Here from largest to lowest. Top highest selling model will be the top of the row, and lowest selling model will be the bottom of the row. From largest smallest, and okay. And here you can see the Wagoner is the top selling model of the multi-brand car showroom, and Scorpio, Nexon, and next on the Defender is the lowest number of the unit sale. But if you want to analyze to the monthly profit wise, if you want to see which vehicle is generating the most profit for the car showroom, you just click here and select the range and just apply the custom sort. Here you select not the unit sold but the monthly profit. How many columns you have? You can see here just monthly profit, largest to smallest. You can select largest to smallest. Okay. So Range Rover generate the maximum profit per unit, assuming roughly 16 lakh per vehicle, and their monthly profits is also so high that is above 1 and 2.8 cr per monthly. And if you want to sort it from lowest to bottom, like here Tiago is the lowest model, but you want everyone focus on the top line, so we will see here custom sorts. You can sort it here smallest to lowest, and okay. And you can see the Tiago generate lowest profit per car. But the opposite side, you can see the Range Rover generate the maximum profit per car and monthly profit. So the top salesman should assign to sell the Range Rover model because that generate the maximum revenue for the showroom. And later on, Land Rover and Mercedes, and the new entrants in the sales should be assigned to sell like Desire, Bolero, and Tiago, because that generate very less profit. If you see here, they generate 25,000. But here Range Rover alone generates 16 lakh. So this is how you can apply the custom sort. And here is the filter option. You can filter these data. Here you can see in data option, filter option, here sort option. The advanced filter we will learn in the further videos, and here we apply just filter. So here you can see, you select this and click Control Shift L. So the filter get selected. You can filter from here, but I apply the shortcut key Control Shift L, and now you can filter the data very easily. The best method is to sort from the model because that is the primary way to sort the data. If you sort like BMW X, and you can sort here easily the Range Rover or Mercedes E-Class, and okay. You can see here the top models, that was the best selling models, how they perform, and you can plot even the graphs of these multi-brand car showroom data. If you want to plot here graphs, you can simply select the pie chart, just select which brand you want to. Here you can see very easily how each sales is happening. Like the Mercedes E-Class sold the most maximum unit like 14. And if you draw the chart for this segment, profit per car, you can easily visualize the data. I did not take the 3D, but just I am clicking for 2D. Here is the visual representation for the data. You can see very easily that unit sold is is high for the Mercedes E-Class, but the profit per car is very high for the Range Rover. So you can visually understand here the data, how things going happens in the Excel, and you can analyze data very easily. So for the guys, I hope you are enjoying this course so far and expecting more, that you understand how to sort and filter the data in the MS Excel and how you can make the visual charts like this. I will explain this more in the future tutorials, and I will teach you the advanced filters also, not just this filter but the advanced filters, how advanced filters work, that also I will teach you. I hope you are enjoying this video so far and you will understand the topic so well. I will see you in the next tutorial.
Wishing for style for the